Now we are going to solve the exercise 3.2, the question number 3. So let us read what the question explains. See, on comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C3, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. See, consistent or inconsistent means we have to find out the conditions for the ratios what we have learnt in the previous classes. For example, if A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2, it has a unique solution. That means that is consistent pair of the equations given, the consistent pair of linear equations. Then if A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2, here we have many number of solutions. So infinite number of solutions. That also nothing but that type of pair of linear equations also implies the consistent form of equations. So if third one A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2, that is not equals to C1 by C2, we have the lines are parallel in these cases and we do not have the solution for this. So if the lines are parallel, that is representing that inconsistent form of the pair of linear equations. So on this basis we have to find whether the given pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Okay, let us move to solve these questions one by one. First question, 3x plus 2y equals to 5. Then 2x minus 3y equals to 7. Okay, A1 equals to 3, A2 equals to 2, then B1 equals to 2, then B2 equals to minus 3, then C1 equals to 5, then C2 equals to 7. Okay, let us compare the ratios. A1 by A2, A1 by A2 equals to 3 by 2. Then B1 by B2 equals to 2 by minus 3. Then C1 by C2 equals to 5 by 7. 5 by 7. On comparison, the values of these ratios, A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2, which implies the consistent pair of linear equations. Consistent pair of linear equations, because I have told you already the conditions for to be consistent or inconsistent. A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2. Definitely it is a consistent form of pair of linear equations. Then if A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2, that is also a consistent pair of linear equations. So let us move to the second one. See, 2x minus 3y equals to 8. Then 4x minus 6y equals to 9. Okay, a1 equals to 2, a2 equals to 4, b1 equals to minus 3, then b2 equals to minus 6, c1 equals to 8, c2 equals to 9. Let us compare the ratios. a1 by a2 equals to 2 by 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are, that is equals to 1 by 2. Then b1 by b2 equals to minus 3 divided by minus 6, that is equals to 1 by 2. 3 1s are 3 2s are. Then c1 by c2 equals to 8 by 9. c1 by c2 equals to 8 by 9. Therefore, by observing the ratios obtained, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2, which is not equals to c1 by c2, implies inconsistent pair of linear equations. Inconsistent pair of linear equations. So we should know the nature and conditions of the given linear equations. So we can write easily whether the given equation are consistent or inconsistent. Write down both the question. See, this one is the third. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y equals to 7. 9x minus 10y equals to 14. Okay, let us write the ratios. Now, comparing the ratios a1 by a2, 3 by 2 divided by 9, which is equals to 3 by 2 into 9 by 1, means 1 by 9. 3 1s are 3 3s are, that is equals to 1 by 6. Then b1 by b2 equals to 5 by 3 divided by minus 10, which is equals to 5 by 3 into minus 10 by 1 means 1 by minus 10, that is equals to 5 1s are 5 2s are, that is equals to minus 1 by 6. Then C1 by C2 equals to 7 by 14, which is equals to 7 1s are 7 2s are, that is 1 by 2. See that 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3, that 9x minus 10y. Minus 10y we have to consider the minus. So 5 by 3 into 1 divided by minus 10 means we get the minus 1 by 6. Therefore, what we have to write? A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2. That implies consistent pair of linear equations. consistent pair of linear equations. Okay, write down this one. Okay, this one is the fourth A1 A2 equals to minus 10, B1 equals to minus 3, B2 equals to 6, then C1 equals to 8, C2 equals to minus 22. Okay, let us compare the ratios. A1 by A2 equals to 5 divided by minus 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are. That is minus 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is equals to minus 3 divided by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. That is also minus 1 by 2. C1 by C2 equals to 8 divided by 24. 22. There is 2 4s are, 2 11s are. Minus 4 divided by 11. See, on comparing the ratios, we have A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2. If A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2 and is not equals to C1 by C2. That means it has no solution. What that implies? It implies inconsistent pair of linear equations. Inconsistent of linear equations. Very simple, very easy to remember. If they have solution, that is consistent. If the pair of linear equations have no solution, that is inconsistent. So keep it in mind. Then observe the solution of fourth one. See, the fifth question, 5x minus 3y equals to 11, minus 10x plus 6y equals to minus 22. We have written the values of A1 and A2, then B1 by B2. Let us find the values of C1 by C2. That is equals to 11 divided by minus 22. 11 ones are 11 twos are, which is equals to minus 1 by 2. So A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2, that is equals to C1 by C2. That implies consistent pair of linear equation because it has many solutions. Okay, write down this also. One more is remaining. This one is the sixth one. 4 by 3x plus 2y equals to 8. Then 2x plus 3y equals to 12. A equals to 4 by 3. A1 equals to A2 equals to 2. B1 equals to 2. B2 equals to 3. C1 equals to 8. C2 equals to 12. So let us find the ratios. A1 by A2 equals to 4 by 3 by 2, which is equals to 4 by 3 into 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is equals to 2 by 3. Then B1 by B2 equals to 2 by 3. C1 by C2, 8 by 12, 4 2s are 4 3s are, that is equals to 2 by 3. Therefore, A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2, that is equal to C1 by C2. That implies it has so many solutions. So, what does it mean? Consistent. Consistent pair of linear equations. Okay. See, today I have given 4 questions for the homework. So you have to find whether these pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Simple way of finding such type of answer for such type of questions, simply you should remember that if the equations have solutions, those are consistent. If the equations have no solutions, those are inconsistent. The conditions also told that A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2, that is consistent. A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2, that is also consistent. A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals is not equals to C1 by C2, that is inconsistent. So remember all those things and solve neatly in the mathematics fair book. Thank you.